Hello and welcome to this quick 2-minute video on how to fix a student who is showing a lot of progress. I have created an example. If I go to the individual report section and I go to Pupil Summary, we can see how this would look. So this student here, Sam Wilson, for English reading, has made 446% progress, which doesn't seem quite right. The dates are the 15th of the 1st, 2019 to today. So let's go dig a little deeper and see what's going on. So if I go to Level Summary, this is the best place to go and look at this and see what's going on. Okay, and we can see that the student has a baseline here. Okay, 1st of the 9th, 2019, and we've got 46% there. Thing to realise here is this says the 1st of the 9th, 2019, yet the report I ran earlier was from the 15th of the 1st, 2019, several months before this baseline date. So in this case, we don't actually need to do anything. If I go back to Pupil Summary, and all I need to do at this point is change this date to match the baseline date. So if I go to the 1st of September and run that, we should now see only 46% progress, which is exactly what we see. And this is one of the main ways that people see more progress than they're expecting. It's because these dates that they're running the reports for are wrong. Alternatively, it could be the case that the actual baseline date that was set is in fact incorrect, in which case this just needs adjusting and setting by going to complete and then changing this date to the correct date that it should be set to. But you would need to speak to the teacher to find out which one it is, whether it is wrong or whether it is in fact the report dates that are incorrect. Okay, and that is how to fix a child who shows a lot of progress.